Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and I bought a few things from their Christmas Animations 2021 collection. So there's 3 boxes right there, and then there's this 4th one that doesn't fit over there without everything collapsing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing video, and let's get into it. Okay, since I have absolutely no idea what's in which box, I'm just going to go in no particular order, starting with this one right here. And this collection was released on, I believe, September 28th. And basically, before it even hit September 28th, on September 27th at like 8:30 p.m. Eastern time or something like that, I already ordered these, and soon after everything was basically sold out. So I mean, this thing is really highly in demand, and this year is actually the first year that I decided to pick up anything from this Christmas animation collection. And initially I was just going to buy one single item, and I'll tell you guys which one it is when we get there. But I guess I got hit with like a bit of FOMO, fear of missing out. So I kind of just got a bunch of stuff essentially. So this one looks to be a bandeau, and this one is the China print one. So at the bottom there's this cute little panda with the on-the-go tote on it. It is so adorable. And then over here there is the Great Wall of China, which is so adorable. And then she even has a little camera here. It's so adorable. And I think maybe, is she holding like the little kirigami pouch? Yeah, this is so cute. And then all along it, there's like different prints on it. So here the Vivian is holding the on the go, and then she has like some type of drink in hand. I mean, they could have totally made that a bubble tea. I think that was a missed opportunity. And then here is the panda again. And then here is like a bunch of bamboo. Let's see, the Great Wall again. And then here's more bamboo. She's holding the on the go again. So she's taking a little journey across China essentially. And then on the back, you just have like these little bits of color, and then, you know, more of the patterns and figures, I guess, on both ends. So yeah, this is super adorable. And yeah, this was one of the ones that I hadn't anticipated getting, but I did want to get something in the China print one because I am Chinese. So it's kind of like a sense of nostalgia, I guess, from when I visited the Great Wall of China like ages ago, like 20 years ago. I haven't been back since then, but yeah, this is so super duper adorable, and I'm so glad I got this one. And then I guess I'm assuming this box is going to be another bandeau, since it is the same type of shape box. So there's 4 patterns to this entire Christmas animation collection. So there's the China one, there's the Hollywood one, and then there's the Japan one, and then I believe this one is going to be the London one. So the London one is actually my second favorite from this entire collection. So I basically think that corgis are absolutely adorable. They're like my second favorite breed of dog. The first one is Samoyeds. Samoyeds are like so adorable. Like every single Samoyed I've seen, there's like a couple that live in the same building that I live in, and they are so cute and so friendly. So yeah, this one has a corgi on it, and I knew that I had to pick this up. Well, I kind of really wanted it, and I ended up kind of impulse buying it, but I'm so happy I did because this corgi is so adorable. So here it is. It's kind of like in the corner right there, along with the telephone booth, and then there's like one of the guards. I'm not British, clearly, so I don't really know what they're called. And here is the Vivian with the corgi on it, and then all across you have is she going to be holding a drink in every single one? So here she's holding like another drink. I'm going to assume, or I'm going to say that's like an Earl Grey tea. And then here you have the Vivienne holding like a little present. And even like the ground over here is decorated in the Louis Vuitton monogram pattern. And then here you have the word London on it, and then more of the guards. Everything is just so cute. And then here's like the double-decker bus. And yeah, this is just, it is so adorable. And I think like on the back, the little figures are bigger as compared to on the front. This is slightly smaller and this is a little bit bigger, but the back is, it's more plain. So it doesn't have everything all across it, but then here you do have these tiny little snowflakes. So this is so adorable, and honestly I am very happy with these two items that I've unboxed so far. As I mentioned before, this is the first time I'm buying these, and yeah, I know like a lot of people collect them, but up until now I always thought that it was a little bit of a waste of money, I guess. So I'm not into like collecting a lot of this stuff. But yeah, these prints definitely really got me this year. And then let's see, I'm going to do this one first. This one's really heavy. I think I know which one this is already. So, oh yeah, before I forget, those two, the bandeaus, they're $210 US each. I know that some people actually ask me to mention the prices in these videos. So here's the third one. And yeah, this one is really heavy. So I think that kind of like gives it away as to what it is. Well, to me at least. So this one, I believe, is the mini pochette. Actually, am I right about that? This is not the mini pochette. Wow, why is this so heavy? So this one is actually the passport holder, and this one was the one that I initially really wanted to purchase because yes, it is the China print on it, and I haven't been on vacation in so long, and I kind of thought that, you know what, when I finally get to go on vacation out of the country, this is just going to kind of like make it more interesting and more exciting, and you know, it's like one extra thing to look forward to. So yeah, I definitely do not really need this passport holder, but it's just so adorable. On the inside, it's this blue interior, and I believe the interior is actually leather too. So yeah, this is so adorable. And once again, this panda is just, it's so cute. And okay, last one, I already kind of gave that away. It is a mini pochette, as I mentioned, and it's going to be a repeat pattern. So this one, yeah, the passport holder is so much heavier than this. I have no idea why actually. So this one is the mini pochette in the London print again. Look at this cute little corgi, it's so adorable. And the interior is this red color on the inside. And I actually don't own any mini pochettes yet. I don't know. For me, I think that, you know, just the monogram or whatever mini pochettes are kind of boring, honestly. So I never, you know, wanted to buy one of them, but everyone says such great things about them. And yeah, I don't need it or whatever, but I figured, hey, if I were to try out a mini pochette, get one for myself, see what all the hype is about, I would want to get one in, you know, like one of these animation prints that actually kind of spice up the mini pochette a little bit more. So I decided to pick up this one with the London print on it. And yeah, it's just, it is so adorable. And this one was actually one that went up in price like 2 days after they launched this online. So I got this for $520 US, and I believe now it's $540. So yeah, I don't understand why they raised the price so soon after it came out. It kind of doesn't really make much sense. I almost want to say like they should have just released this at the $540, but then I wouldn't have saved the $20. And oh yeah, the passport holder is $435 US. So this is the most expensive one. But yeah, this is, the print at least is so cute. I can't really say, you know, much about the mini pochette yet, but yeah, this is so adorable. So I have a total of 4 items from this Christmas animation collection now. So that is it for this Louis Vuitton Christmas animation unboxing video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And do let me know what you guys think of this collection. What's your favorite print from it? And have you picked up any items from this collection? And also let me know which of the 4 that I unboxed today is your personal favorite. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing for new videos every single week. And I'll leave 2 videos on the screen for you to watch next. So I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.